So let us try and see the first one. It will be b minus d, and that should be 5 minus, sorry, b minus a, and that should be 5 minus 0, 5, right?
Yes, sir.
And minus star, it should be d minus p, and that should be 10 minus 5 equal to 5, right?
Yes, sir.
E minus c, that should be
2.
20 minus 7, that is 13, right?
Oh,
Sir, I thought C was question.
This was C and E, right? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
As long as you understand, I don't bother you made mistake or not. You people made most of things correct, and you people were unnecessarily worried, right? And this would be A minus E, and that would be 0 minus 20 equal to minus 20, right? This is the right way of doing it. Now the question is, should it be minus 20?
So,
Unless somebody tells me anything otherwise, I'll say yes.
so it can be minus 20.
It will be minus 20 unless somebody tells you, I want absolute value. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
When somebody tells you EA, treat that like this. And this is indeed minus 20. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
What does that arrow say? You have to go from E to A, not A to E. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the question is, what is A to E? And that is N minus start. Do you understand? And that is 20 minus 0 is 20. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
But there is one more thing called absolute. Minus 20, and you people know the answer?
20.
20.
What will be the answer to the first and second?
So both are 20.
20 only, sir.
20 only. And this shortcut is, here comes the problem. Shortcut is EA. And shortcut is
AE.
AE. And now you will say EA, I wrote 20. Do you understand? But why SARP? Do you know SARP?
Which, sir?
Nirma, Excel, they are called washing powders, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you eat Maggie?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or do you eat noodles?
Hmm?
Do you eat Maggie or noodles?
Maggie, sir.
Maggie is a brand. You don't eat any other top ramen noodles. You don't eat any other noodles.
Well, mostly Maggie.
Maggie only, sir.
You eat others also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maggie is a brand. When you say, will you eat Maggie? Don't think that he is telling you only Maggie brand. He might be serving you some other brand noodles also. But Maggie has become so popular. What do? You tell every noodle Maggie, right? But that is not correct one. And this is not correct one. Do you understand? But that is popular and very legitimate in even maths and science. So what is your solution? When somebody asks you EA, say EA, if you ask me vector, then it will be minus 20. If you ask me absolute value, it will be 20. Qualify it. It is your job to qualify. If I you write 20 or minus 20, I'll give you 0. Anything you write, I will give you 0.
Yes.
I'll expect you to write why do you think it is 20 or minus 20. In this case, okay. In this case, you write 20, I'll give you 0. In this, write minus 20, I'll give you 0. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Why?
So because it's not absolute value.
Because both answers are correct. Do you understand?
Yes.
Both answers are correct. So one hurdle you people have passed. So A, B, C, D. Your brother is making a lot of noise. Vinil, you are making a lot of noise. I don't even hear just with us voice when your class is going on. You should do the same. Do you understand? Now I want A, B, and I want B, E, and I want D, B. Please do. Write first one, AB, and then write second one, then write third one. First write only one, AB equal to 1.
Oh.
So root 26, just with I went too far, and I won't say it is wrong. B minus A equal to minus 1, minus 5, and minus 0, 0, right?
Yes, sir.
And that is minus 1, minus 5, right? And just with I went further. So this is now AB. And every absolute, what she did is minus 1 square plus minus 5 square root over And that is what?
Root 20.
Root 26.
You people know it, right?
Yes, sir.
Hold on for a second. My pen is root 26. Any question?
No, sir.
So others, you know, I'm not going to deal with, right? I think you also know 3 dimension, 4 dimension also. Yes or no?
So I know 3 dimension and don't know 4 dimension.
How does it matter? If I have, this is 2, 3, and 5, 8, right? This one is 1, this one is 4, this one is 3. What is this point? Tell me. Tell me.
So in the chat box or?
Anywhere?
So I think it's 6.
Okay. So you see, it will be a plus something extra, right? From here, I'm going to this place, right?
Yes, sir.
What will you call? You can call it X, Y, or Z. Let us call it X. Let us call it Y, and let us call it Z. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what it is? 1, 4, and 3. Right? What is the answer? What is the answer?
3, 7, 8.
Any question?
No, sir.
Very easy, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is AB? What is AB? B minus A?
Yes, sir.
And that is exactly 1, 4, 3.
Yes, sir.
Don't write. Just because you're wasting time by writing. Use your brain, not your fingers. I know. You people have a habit of whenever teacher tells note, note, and note. Don't do. These notes are there in Drive, right? Why do you need? Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
And now you can see it is 1 square plus 4 square plus 3 square root of y. That is AB absolute. This is not read at derivation. This is read at modulus of vector AB. Do you understand? Sort is mod vector AB. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No,
No. If you people fear forgetting, don't worry. I'll make sure that by the time you need it, it will be just like alphabet. Are you clear? Any doubt we have?
no, sir.
Now we come. Are we clear? Right?
Yes.
2, 4, 5. Minus 3, 6, 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
AB. So I'm doing this, right? What will it be minus A? Minus 5?
Minus 5, 2, and 3.
2 and?
3.
Always put finger and do like this. Put finger and do like this. Mentally also. It is very easy to make mistakes. Do you understand?
Yes.
If this is X, Y, and G, and this is X, Y, and G, this is called delta X, delta Y, and delta Z.
Sir.
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is delta? Delta X is called change in X. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, Riddhi. You can behave normal. You can behave as if you can talk to your brother, your mom, your dad. And even if it is recorded, we don't use these things for marketing purpose. So don't worry about that. Your privacy is intact. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You might have seen in our case study, no photo, no video, nothing, right?
Yes, sir.
We can use. We have all photos and video we don't use. Even after some, your mom is there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is your mom's name?
Sir, Vijeta.
Vijeta, give her some snacks. She is feeling hungry.
Sir. My
Okay.
grandmother is, sir.
And Jaswita is now feeling jealous.
Snack.
Ah, both of them. Then I'm also having. Don't worry. You see? Okay, anyway. Are we clear about this or not?
Yes, sir.
And when we have two-dimensional space, you see, this is X, this is Y, this is 2 and 1, and this is 3 and 7, right? And then we have 1 and 6, right?
Yes, sir.
This is delta x and this is delta y. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you create a triangle, what happens? This is 1 and this is 6. Any question? This is delta x and this is delta
Twice.
y. And Pythagoras told you 1 square plus 6 square root over. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
But also remember that there is one more thing which is called slope. How steep it is, you see? Low slope, right? Very steep. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
And this is high slope, right? Why this is high slope?
So because it's going towards the up.
Because height is more than the base. And that is delta y by delta x. That is delta height by delta base. Any question anybody has?
No, sir.
If you know trigonometry, you must have known as tan theta. If you don't know, don't worry. Are we all clear?
Yes, sir.
Ignore this one for the time being. Clear?
Yes.
Good. Coming back to here. 12 p.m. 2 p.m. Okay. Draw this line. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. 5 p.m. 10 p.m. Okay. And milestone kilometer was showing 200, 500. Okay. 1100. And it was showing 1500. They are kilometers. Any question? Somebody is making a lot of noise. Hey, Vinil, go out to play. Is it raining outside? Is it raining
Sir,
outside?
it was drizzling in the weather.
When mom and dad are very angry, what they do? They open the door, tell, go out and play. Right?
Yes, sir.
No?
No, sir.
You people don't get that luxury.
Sometimes.
Why?
Not always.
Make so much noise that your parents cannot hear you. Do you understand? And they will even get lost, go out.
Sir, they will tell you, sir.
Yes,
Someone
sir.
tell us to-
Study. Yes, sir.
And that is why big punishment, right? A, B, C, and D, right? You people have drawn this, right?
Yes, sir.
Calculate the speed between AB, BC, and BD. Very simple, right? Calculate the speed. Done?
1 6.
Sir, for AB, right?
First do AB, write in the chat box, and then we'll proceed with BC and CD, right? Try AB first. And remember one thing, you have come here to learn, so don't fear making mistake. I will be worried when you don't say anything. Do you understand? You make all nonsense things, I'm not going to be worried. I guarantee you, you will learn 10 times faster. Not 1 or 2 times. Okay, somebody told 150 kilometers per hour. Let's see.
Sir, and I got 150 kilometers per hour.
Okay, so let us see how smart or stupid you people are. What do you think, smart or stupid?
Sir,
Speed, the formula is
distance divided by time.
change in distance by change in time. First thing, please change. Whatever they teach you is wrong. What is the formula?
Change in
Change in distance by changing time.
change in time.
Right? You are at a distance 10,000 miles from some place. Okay? You spend 2 hours. Your speed becomes 5,000. Now, how much you change from that 10,000, that is the one. And you already did that one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Did you calculate distance by time or change in distance by change in time?
Sir, distance by time.
No, bad job.
Sir, change
You
in-
calculated change in distance by change in time. You see, you calculated delta. You see?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So let us see, you are still correct or incorrect. So 500, and do not remove the units. Minus 200 kilometers. Anybody has any doubt?
No, sir.
So if I write 12 minus 2 p.m., is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So how much?
300 divided by 10.
You are right or I'm right?
Hmm.
Come on, unmute dear.
300 by
Hey, Vinil, no noise, please. You are disturbing us.
I got 30 kilometers per hour now.
Only Vinil is there or his friends are there?
Sir, my whole family is
Oh, your family is disturbing you, right? Then change the place from tomorrow. Okay. Riddhi did perhaps, right?
Sir, no, sir.
Are we clear about this or any doubt?
No, sir.
You people are stupid. The first thing, if you have conviction, don't say you're wrong. This is wrong. So never do shortcut before you have done. You see, 500 kilometer minus 200 kilometer, right? And 2 p.m. minus 12 p.m. Clock doesn't work that way. Look here. Right? Right now it is 12 p.m. What will be this one?
1
One what?
p.m. 1 a.m. 1 a.m.
After 12 p.m. 12 p.m.
Okay.
Hold on, 12
One-
p.m. you are in school in or in the bed.
Sir, it can be 1 a.m. or 1 p.m.
Hello,
sir.
dear. No. Just with unmute yourself, you need to be unmuted. 12 p.m. you are at school or in the bed.
In bed, I think.
Just with
12
12 p.m. is day or night.
So it's day. Yes, it's day.
So after that, what will be there?
1 p.m.
There is no ambiguity. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Midnight equal to 12 a.m. or 0000 hour or 00 a.m. Whatever you write. Are we clear? So now you understand how much? How much?
300
kilometer by 2 hours.
Any question?
No, sir.
You people were dumb and stupid. You changed your answer.
Sir, but
But what?
Sir,
It is
yes,
not about what you said. Do you have conviction? I'm not looking at your correct answer. As I say, you tell me wrong answer, I don't care. You tell me right answer, I don't bother. You give me right explanation, I won't give you any credit. If you give me wrong explanation, I will crucify you. Did you understand? Right answer, wrong answer, right explanation doesn't give you any credit or discredit. Wrong explanation is the only thing I bother. You did not have conviction. As soon as I misled you, you agreed. Did you understand or not?
yes, sir.
That is not a confident student. That is not a conceptually confident person.
Yes, sir.
What is integrity or conscience of a person? You stand to your moral of standpoint. Yes or no? You say this is right and I will support it. This is the right thing. I'll do it. Come whatever may. Are we clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Any question you have?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Everybody is clear about this? What is the next thing? 1100. Never do a shortcut. 1100 kilometer and don't forget units. Minus 500 kilometer divided by what?
5 p.m. minus 2 p.m.
5 p.m. minus 1.
Do I need to do?
600 divided by 3 is equal to 200 kilometer per hour.
Okay. I'll just write 200 kilometer per hour, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll directly do this. 80 kilometer per hour.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is clear?
Yes, sir.
Please draw another diagram. Time is exactly same thing. Two p.m. right?
Yes, sir.
5 p.m. and 10 p.m. right?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
Are you people clear? The speed given is 80 kilometer per hour, 120 kilometer per hour. Okay, 50 kilometer per hour and 70 kilometer per hour. Calculate the distance. Are we clear? Can you people do it?
Sure, we'll try.
First do A, B,
Yes.
and then we will talk about that. First do A and B.
Yes.
Right? Very easy. I always give very easy questions. People blame that I give very tough questions. Right? You don't feel I give very easy questions? Riddhi is thinking whether I should say yes or no. How did you get 20 kilometer there? What did you want to write? What did you want to write, Jaswita?
Sir, distance between.
Riddhi, what is your answer?
Sir,
Sir, I'm still doing, sir. 1 second.
Sir, it's 8
Oh,
Is it simply by adding the pad?
So I got 4. 80 kilometer. Yes, sir. 80.
You people made a mess.
Uh,
What is formula of distance?
Speed into time.
Delta speed into delta.
Time.
Distance equal to speed into time, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, there is a problem. It should have been delta S, that is distance, equal to V times delta T. This is change in, what is? Change in distance. S is written for distance. Change in
Speed.
sorry, not change in speed, speed. Okay, and change in time. Right? But anyway, your formula is fine. So how much is the speed?
80 kilometer per hour. Plus
40 kilometers per hour.
A to B, what is the speed?
40 kilometer per hour.
Is that 40 kilometers per hour? You were going at 80 kilometers per hour.
Uh.
And at B, you ended up 120 kilometers per hour. When did you go 80 kilometers per hour?
So it's 40 kilometer per hour.
Why?
So we.
Hello, dear, that is the problem of formula. Remember, what was the speed? The speed equal to what? Listen,
120.
delta distance by delta time.
Time.
Any question?
No, sir.
Any question?
No,
No, sir.
In standard notation, please note down. V is a speed, S is distance, and T is time. Get used to S is not a speed. S is?
yes, yes.
Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Simplify the formula. Multiply both sides with delta T. Multiply both sides with delta T. What will happen? V equal to delta S by delta T, right?
Yes, sir.
Multiply with delta T. What happens?
Delta T into delta is divided by delta T.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
The formula is delta S equal to V delta T. Any question?
No, sir.
What is our formula?
Delta S is equal to
Into,
Speed change in time. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Very good. So where did you make a mess? That is why understanding is very important. And that is where things go very ugly. You see? We need delta T. What is delta T?
Time.
2 p.m. minus 12 p.m., right?
Yes, sir.
And that is 2 hours, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
What we need?
Speed.
We need V or delta V?
V.
What you people calculated? Change in velocity, right?
Yes, sir.
You calculated delta V. Where is delta V? Because you always remember this formula. And that is a big problem. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Why we spend so much time explaining you all these things and going through formula? I'm teaching you with notes. We have our managers, they teach you exactly that. They don't teach you anything else. You run it, they will teach you exactly the same thing. What I'm teaching you, man. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Why? This is the problem. This is incorrect. What is correct? This.
Please.
Simplify it, what you will get? You will get delta distance equal to what? The speed into delta time.